Can you say it again minus the swear words?
Look at
Wow.
Claire.
Cheese.
Ready? Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. Come on, phone. Ready?
Lord,
What do you
I'm
got?
lame.
Is that really one piece of chocolate?
No, it's, I think it's full of chocolate. Is it? It's chocolate.
Let's see, Parker.
What do you got?
Here, hold it.
What do you got? Show me.
I'm wearing my flowers.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh,
What?
Whoa.
Everybody say hi to Aunt Patricia. Say Happy Easter, Aunt Patricia.
Happy Easter.
oh my God. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Parker, what's that?
Oh!
Ah.
Wow. I thought it was broken in half. I was like, how did that happen?
I knew it from the picture.
Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Hunter. Oh. I got this.
Yep, I'll open this for you.